In this video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin holding still this bullish pennant, still hovering around 10,000. We'll do a quick analysis about Bitcoin, and later we will talk about the Lightning Network, who is still struggling to spark. So if you think this is interesting, you should definitely watch this video. Hi guys, my name is Martin and welcome to Coin Collect. As you can see, Bitcoin is still in this bullish pennant for the last couple of weeks. We're still holding this pennant. First I thought this might be a bull flag, that's why I didn't delete these lines, these purple lines. But Bitcoin is still holding this bullish pennant for the last couple of days since the middle of August. So I assume this pennant is still active, and I will keep it as long as Bitcoin doesn't break out. Now this price movement with low volatility reminds me of the end of 2018 when we were hovering at around 6,000. We also had low volatility over here, and Bitcoin's volatility is declining the last few days. So I think we might see a big breakout at September, either up or down, I don't know. As we take a look at the daily, nothing has changed really. We are still going sideways for the last few days, so it's still pretty neutral until Bitcoin makes its move. If we take a look at the weekly, so as I told in my last few videos, the MACD is turning bearish right now. As you can see, we are crossing here. Now, this is no reason to panic, because we had also seen this happening in the last bull market. As we can see here, when this bull market started in 2015, this MACD, at the end of 2015, this MACD also crossed over and was looking bearish, but we all know what happened here. It just had a little dip, went sideways, and then we went boom, we went to the moon. So it's no reason to panic. Bitcoin can do the same right now, but I would definitely keep an eye on this, how this plays out. Now, as I just said, the volatility in Bitcoin is very low at the moment. And if we take a look at the volume, we can see that the volume of Bitcoin is very low at the moment, only 534 million right now. So that's very low. And I think most people are finding Bitcoin boring right now, because it's going sideways for a while. Once we will see Bitcoin making its move either up or down, we will see that people are getting excited again and started trading, buying or selling. So that was it for Bitcoin today. Let's move on to the Bitcoin Lightning Network, which is still struggling. As we all know, Bitcoin Lightning Network is a second layer payment solution for Bitcoin for doing small transactions, lightning fast and at low fees. But let's have a look at this article. The total capacity of the network rose 101% from 525.8 Bitcoin in January to less over 1,000 Bitcoin at the beginning of April, only to fall 21.6% to 830 Bitcoin in mid-August. with fiat valuations peaking at 12.25 million in mid-July, down to about 8.4 million. So as you can see, this is a significant drop, and the Lightning Network is still struggling to expand. I also found this article here which says guys makes only $20 a month from locking 5 million in Bitcoin on the Lightning Network. So if you scroll down, we can see that this guy is saying I have 200 to 300 transactions through all nodes a day, rarely 600. On commission I earn 5,000 to 10,000 sats per day. It's only 40 to 80 cents, that's $20 a month maximum, he said. He is incurring losses for the services he provides, not just in locked liquidity, but in having to pay far higher on-chain fees than what he charges for Lightning transactions liquidity. So opening of the channels, I spent probably more than $1,000, therefore no earnings now. So if you want to read this article, I will leave a link down below in the description. But yeah, this is interesting to see how the Lightning Network will take off if nobody wants to open these channels. Lightning Network got really some big critique over the last few months, saying it's centralized, it will never work. So what do you guys think? Do you think it will work? Leave a comment down below, and if you like this video, please put a like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.